What's up guys, and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to stop Microsoft Teams from sending you emails, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to stop Microsoft Teams from sending you emails. So basically guys, the Microsoft team has an email notifications which they sent you, and basically how to stop them. So Microsoft Teams basically is a great collaboration tool, but it can flood your inbox with emails. To regain control of the notifications, please follow these steps. So open Microsoft Teams desktop app. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Notifications tab and toggle off the option to receive emails from Microsoft Teams. Click Apply or Save to confirm. By doing this, you'll stop the unwanted emails from Microsoft Teams. Also, Teams offer many notification settings so you can customize your experience. You can choose to receive notifications only by mentions or prioritize certain activities. Adjusting these settings may help you balance staying informed and avoid email overload. Pro tip is remember to review and adjust your notification settings regularly. Keeping them up to date will help Microsoft Teams boost your productivity with becoming a distraction. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to stop Microsoft Teams from sending you the emails. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.